How to add members to a signal group. Are you facing issues to add a member to a signal group? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To add members to a signal group, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you log in, go to the group chat, tap on group name at the top to open the group setting. Scroll down and tap on add members. You'll see a contact list. Select the people you want to add by tapping their names. Then tap check mark or next. A confirmation will appear. Tap add to group and they will be added instantly. If it's a new style group signal, member will get a notification asking them to join. Once they accept, they will become a part of the group. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.